Storya ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Dear Uncle Dagol.
And Tita Tanya Chinita. Dancer po ako sa isang club sa Angeles. Feel good morning, call and tips. Tago nyo na lang po akong sa pangalang Michelle. AKA Miss United Nations. Dahil iba-iba pong lahi ang aking naging jowa. Mula po sa Davao del Sur ay sumama ako sa aking kaibigan para magtrabaho po sa Angeles City, Pampanga. Siyempre, para matulungan ng pamilya. Dami ko pong nagiging customer at isa na po doon si Niwang na isang Chinese national. Sabi niya sa akin,
Ako dala, ikaw China. Ikaw sama akin China. Ha? Basta ikaw payag.
Yun po ang sabi niya sa akin. Hayop, di ba? Rico? Dito na nga nagsimula.
Abilis ka, ma.
Wow! Ako pa nakarma. Dito na nga po nagsimulang tumagas.
Ang mga katas ng aking nakalipas.
Went from Mr. 305 Dade County to Mr. Worldwide all around the world.
Yung gusto ko yung pogi. Pogi. Igigiling pababa.
Pinagiling yung babae pababa. Pababa ng pababa ng pababa. And she know the how to doggy malala. Hanggang kama ganun din yung ginawa. Puro
Isa
kami
pa, DJ. Kuya DJ, Kuya Bong, isa pa.
Pinagiling yung babae pababa.
Wala naman lang highlight.
Pababa ng pababa ng pababa. And she know the how to doggy malala. Hanggang kama ganun din yung ginawa.
Ay,
Puro kami
nakakapagod
maangas.
talaga maging dancer.
Maluwag lahat.
Oy, Mars!
Madam Trixie.
Mars, nandyan na yung mo. Nandyan na si Niwang. Nahanap
siya?
ka na. Ayan na.
Yan na.
Ayan na. Paldo ka na naman ngayon.
Doggy na sa club, dumadagi. Doggy.
Hello, good evening. You're here already.
Hay!
Japanese.
Half Chinese, half Japanese. Ako galing China. Mama.
yeah.
Mama Japanese. Airpads ko Chinese.
Good evening, Niwang.
Good evening. Ikaw, ako order ikaw. Ikaw punta akin doon VIP room.
Ha?
VIP.
Sa VIP,
VIP
na
mo
kayo,
ako
sir.
ngayon.
Sige na, VIP na kayo. Go na ako na bahala dito.
Sige.
Sir, sir, consumable. 5K consumable.
Ako, thank you ito tip mo. Okay, lamat.
Thank you, Niwang. Sige. You sit down.
Ikaw upo akin dito, kandong.
Hindi pwede. May bayad ang kandong.
Ako nga bahala bayad iyo.
Sige.
Basta ikaw, sama akin. Ikaw, ako, dala, ikaw, China.
Talaga, dadanayin mo ako sa
Ikaw
China.
mga na, paldo.
Ikaw marami doon, business.
Ayaw mo ba?
Pero yan peso.
ba gusto mo? Ayaw mo ba pila? Ha?
Gusto ko ng pera, pero dapat pakasalan mo ko para mapunta sa akin yan.
Ako, ito bigay ko sa'yo. Oh, ayun yan. Oh, oh yan. Yun yan lahat.
Akin lahat
Hindi,
yan?
500 muna. 500 muna, okay? Ikaw payag, dali kita China, okay? Tayo simula. Ako
Dadali mo
uhaw.
ako sa China?
Oo, dali kita
Gagawin
China.
mo ako asawa?
Oo, dali
Baka
kita.
ikaw merong asawa doon.
Ako wala asawa doon. Kaya ako,
Baka
dala
sinungaling ikaw. Baka ikaw, liar ikaw.
Kayo, Pinoy sinungaling. Kami Chinese hindi. Okay? Sige. Halika na. Dali.
Ikaw pakasalan ako?
Ako dala, ikaw China. Oh,
Sige.
halika. Hey.
Bembang?
Ganon.
Okay. Approve.
Ya, hey.
Pati yung alik China.
Ganon ami kung putkis. Hey.
Hay.
Wata. Ha.
Wala! Niwang, ito, resulta aki. Pregnancy test ako, iyo buntis. 2 months.
Ikaw buntit? Ako ama.
Buntit.
Buntit.
Wait, ikaw ba? Coco, Martin?
Ako ama. Oh,
Basic, ikaw ama, ikaw aki, ikaw ako bembang. 2 months ago. Ikaw ama.
ikaw dami customer. Ikaw lang ako gusto. Ikaw
Dami.
dami customer.
Ako dami customer, pero ikaw lang. Aki exclusive.
Okay.
Ikaw, akin VIP. Wala iba VIP. Panagutan mo ko, Niwang. Kundi babarangay talaga kita.
Okay, ako panagot ikaw, pero ako uwi muna China.
Sama ako. Di ba sabi mo sama ako?
Wala ka pa papeles. Ako uwi. Ako atikaso sa papeles mo.
Ano tawag?
Ito, SPA. Okay, ako dala China para ikaw kuhanin ko China.
Baka hindi mo ako balikan na.
Ako balik.
Sasampang kita talaga ng kaso. Niwang, paano na ito mag-iwan ka ng pera? Manganganak ako, baka wala ka dito, tsaka magpapacheck up ako.
2K.
Pag-iwa-
2K. Ako,
Okay, bigyan pa kita!
ako, ito aking pamasahe pa China. Ako wala na pila. Kuha ko pila sa China. Marami
Pag
akong pila
withdraw,
doon.
hindi ako naniniwala, scammer ka! Babanagutan mo ako, Niwang!
Ako nga balik.
Anak mo to!
Ako balik iyo. Ikaw hintay akin. Ha? Okay?
Niwang!
Babalik ako. Okay?
Hindi okay!
Ako nga balik China ulit-ulit eh. Ha?
Iwan ka pera, lakihan mo! Pera iwan!
Okay, tricky.
Dinagdagan mo, salamat ha. Dagdagan mo yan! Ngayon mo 100K, manganganak ako!
Ako nga wala pila.
Matitigil ako sa
China.
trabaho! Binugtis mo ako!
Ako pa dala pila sa'yo dito, okay?
Siguraduhin mo yan, Niwang! Niwang! Katulad po ng aking kutob ay iniwan na po ako ni Niwang. At ako nagpalaki sa aking anak. Naging signal mom ako malala. Lahat po hinarap ko at hindi ko yung pinaalam sa mga mahal ko sa buhay sa Davao del Sur. Na meron akong anak tapos walang ama. Kaya, pinagpatuloy ko na lang dahil nahihiya na nga rin po akong umuwi sa amin. Hanggang may makilala ulit akong afam. Si Adam.
Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
You're really very pretty.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Is that true?
What's your real name? I want to know your real
My
name.
real name is Michelle.
That's good. Michelle, you're very pretty and
Thank you. Is that true?
I'm
You're
attracted
saying?
to you. I'm going to bring you to, I'm from California, okay? So you want to go with me to California?
But I have a problem.
Wow, what's the problem?
I'm
What? Come on, say it to me, baby.
I am
Uh-huh.
I have like this, but
What's that?
I have
I don't have any
a
idea.
child. I have a
Oh.
child, but
You have a child?
I am a signal mom.
Oh. Is that it?
Yeah.
No, don't
like,
worry.
It doesn't matter to you?
It doesn't matter. I'm going to bring you to the U.S. I'm going to bring you to California.
You going to bring me
Yeah,
to
I'm gonna bring you
California
there.
even though I'm single mom?
Of course. I don't care. I'm going to bring you there.
But I have a next problem because the father of this child, he said to me also he will bring me to China, but he
A Chinese man.
Yeah, he didn't do that. So I'm afraid I have
It's a
trauma
Chinese.
and all like this anxiety that you will do the same.
I'm not like him, the China guy, China man, whatever you call him. He's very responsible. I'm not like that, okay? I'm going to bring you to California.
You're gonna bring me to California?
Yes.
Like-
Want to be my girl? Then I'm going to bring you there, okay?
Is that true?
It's true. Kiss me. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Umabot po kami ng 4 na taon ni Adam. Pero yung sinasabi niyang papakasalan ako, hindi po na nangyayari. Nalaman ko, marami pala kaming girlfriend niya. At bukod sa akin, meron pa siyang 3 jowang Pinay. Hindi, di ba? Parang si Asian Pacboy na nanonood ngayon. Adam,
what are you
can we
saying?
talk
What are you saying? I'm
let's
not
get,
like Asian Park boy. Oh, come on. I'm not like him.
but we are already 4 years and you haven't gave me engagement ring, and you said you're going to marry me and bring me to the States. So what's the plan now?
I'm trying to say I can marry you right now, okay? Can you wait?
But 4 years, isn't it? Come on. Isn't it long? Plus, Adam, can we talk about the other girls? Your other girls? You have...
I already told you it's not true. This is...
That's true because
That's
we have a
just-
group chat! All of us together! We have a group chat!
What?
They confirmed
What are you
to
saying?
me...
Oh, come
They
on. it's
confirmed
not
to me
true.
that they are your girlfriends too! Like here!
Oh,
Same places, same hotel,
Oh, no.
same monthsary, same endearment! Baby, every one of us, you call us baby?
It's not true. The baby number 1, baby 2, baby 3, and baby 4. It's not true.
You're such a whore.
I'm not. Come on.
Where's your promise? You promise you'll bring me to California. So, all this time you're just trying to breadcrumb me and love bomb me to believe you?
You want money? I'll give you money. Is that what you want?
Why you're now giving me money? For what? You told me you're going to marry me and bring me to California.
I'll give you money. Just shut up, okay?
How much? No. I want to be me. I want to be me. I want to be me.
What?
I want it to be only me. Want it only.
I'm sorry, but I have to choose wisely, okay?
Choose me! Adam, choose me because you told me.
Maybe, but not now, okay? You have to wait.
What are we waiting for?
It's not for you. But if you're gonna wait, Michelle, then maybe it's time that we both part ways, okay?
So, I'm not worthy to you? No, Adam, no, don't do this. Please choose me, Adam. You told me you love me even though I have signal, Mom.
Yeah, I
Bring
told
me.
you that, but also
don't-
told them the same thing.
My God.
What?
Please, Adam,
No.
please. Please, Adam, choose me.
Get off me! Get off me!
Adam!